To understand how to customize CNN, so we need to understand certain topics. This video is also a continuation of my previous video. Today we'll be talking about neural networks. So what is neural networks? It basically imitates a human brain. So as we have neurons, same here, layers of neurons work together to find out the pattern, or it learns the pattern from the data given. The layers are the input layer, the hidden layer or layers, and the output layer. Now the weights connects the different layers here, and the weight is very important, and initially it is given a random value. Here the weight is the one which says how important is that input. The model learns by adjusting their values by or during the training. To understand how it learns the patterns, there are two operations taking place. One is the forward operation and the second is the back propagation. Let's make it simple. The inputs along with the random weights are passed to the hidden layers. Here in the hidden layers, the linear summation takes place, which means the inputs are multiplied with the weights and added to the bias. Here the output is your prediction or probability output, and this is your forward operation. So now, according to the math behind the neural networks, we found out the predicted output, right? Now, is this the actual output? We need to check, right? So now comes the back propagation. So what actually happens here? We'll find the loss, which means we'll subtract the predicted value from the actual value and find out the loss, right? So now what we found out from the loss, we understood that far the predicted value is from the actual output, which means the difference, right? In order to bring the predicted output more or less to the actual output, which means to reduce the difference, what we will do here, we'll adjust the weights. So this is done by the gradient function. Okay, so by adjusting the weights, again it calculates, and again the prediction happens, again the difference loss function happens, then it checks whether the difference is less. So this cycle happens until it finds or learns the correct pattern, right? So this is as we learn by experience, right?